guys, welcome to the Spicy Kitchen. Today we are gonna make paella. Paella is a very well-known dish from Spain. Today we are gonna have a very basic one, only chicken. Eventually we are gonna have a bunch of episodes about paella, like squid ink paella, chorizo and chicken paella, just fish paella, and the most popular one in Spain and most traditional one, rabbit and snail. Here on my table you can see I have all my spices, all my prep done, and the most important part, the paellera. We're gonna start cooking paella, and the first thing that you want is definitely a nice Spanish olive oil. You want your nice coat there. First thing that we will do is we are gonna work with our chicken. And usually what I do is I have my chicken with the skin on and the bone in. Usually our thighs are more flavorful, but you know, there is no law that you can use chicken breast or any other part of the chicken. Skin and bone definitely will give you way more flavor into your paella, and that's what we want, flavor. Remember that. Definitely it's always good to use your local chicken. Helping your farmer, you will be helping your own local economy. I'm gonna add my green beans. So I'll start building up the flavors of the paella. And paella is a dish that is layers and layers of flavors. And you will see little by little how it starts developing. I will add my peppers and my onions. Now that we are having the chicken halfway cooked, what I want to add is my chicken stock that I previously made with chicken bones. Like, remember, whatever leftover you have from the bones of the chicken, the skin, you can definitely make chicken stock, which we will talk eventually how to make stock in another episode. I will be adding the sofrito, the Spanish tomato sauce with tomato, onions, olive oil, garlic, sugar, and salt. Garlic, lemon juice, and parsley. I'm going to add my spices. Now, keep tuned because we are gonna have an episode only talking about spices. I'm adding my saffron, which is one of the most important spices in Spain, and is what will give that beautiful flavor into the paella. Turmeric will give the color. Coriander. Some beautiful smoked paprika. And what I personally do is I add a little bit of bay leaves into the paella, so that will give some extra flavor. And now we wait until boil, and eventually we will add the rice. I'm gonna start adding the rice. Rice is a Bomba rice. It's a short grain rice from Spain, and it's similar to arborio. They are family actually, but the Bomba rice has less starch content and absorbs 3 times the amount of liquid. And this is the time. And that's it. Medium heat until you start seeing the rice. At this stage, rice is cooking, and I realized the chicken, it is already cooked. I took it out and I put it aside to eventually incorporate it again. That also is called like paella a la banda or arroz a la banda, where what you're having is your main meat protein on the side. Paella is already done, and usually what I tend to do is to leave it about 10 minutes to rest. That will allow all the flavors to incorporate to the rice. What I'll do to finish the whole paella and decorate it, I'm gonna add some green peas, all around. Some beautiful roasted peppers. And if you are having a paella with seafood, you tend to add all these mussels, clams, and the shrimps on top. That will be in another episode, so I'll keep you posted. Click below notifications so you know when all our videos are coming up. This is a fantastic recipe for leftovers, so if you don't have like enough guests or you are unable to eat the whole paella, don't worry, save it in your fridge, eat it the next day. That's fantastic. All the flavors will combine even more together, and just simply you can saute or microwave. And also remember, the recipe is down below. Let me know what you want to know about the paella, and if I can give you any other tips, just write it below, and for sure I'm gonna answer all the questions that you might have. Until next time, see you.